Hey, Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. Haven't done any videos for a while. I'm deciding if I want to get back into it or not. But this is my latest project. I'm leveling out here. For some of you that follow my channel, you may know that I talked about building a pole barn years ago. Well, I got serious about it. So we're in the stages of leveling out and getting it built. We already have the contract signed for it, so it's just a matter of time. And some of the projects that I'd like to get in there is I still have my 93 Saturn, but the main one is the first vehicle that I ever bought new back there, my 87 Chevy square body. I'd really like to get that redone, and she does need some work. So anyhow, that's what I've been up to. If you'd like to see me do more videos, some of the videos in the future would possibly be the actual setup for the pole barn inside to make it more of a shop. I would like to get some of my tools in there and maybe even buy some more tools to outfit it with. And this is just for me for working on all of my equipment that I have. So anyhow, let me know what you think. Hope to get some comments, and see you guys in the future with more videos. Take care.